Let us try to understand what layers are in Articulate Storyline. These are used to create interactivities, including feedback slides and knowledge check questions. We are first going to create layers in the scene. To do so, you can add a new layer from the bottom corner. Clicking on the icon will create new layers. Or, you can go to Insert and click on Slide Layer to add additional layers. There is also an option to duplicate the layers. For this, you can choose the layer you wish to duplicate and click on the Duplicate button. Alternatively, you can select the layers and duplicate it. You can also right-click to copy the layers and paste it. To delete a layer, select on the layer you wish to delete. Then, click on the Delete button and click on Yes. To rename a layer, double-click on the name and change it. This will ease your accessibility while creating layers. You can select multiple layers together to either duplicate them or delete them. Now, we'll select Properties to edit some functionalities of layers. Here you have the option to hide the other slide layers, hide objects on the base layer and hide the slide layer when the timeline finished. You can either let Articulate Storyline decide whether you should make Allow Seeking visible, or choose Yes or No. For the base layer, you have the options to prevent the user from clicking on the base layer or to pause the timeline on the base layer. If the learner will be revisiting the slide, you can choose whether they can revisit the base layer by resetting the slide to the initial state. This means the layers will be reset to the initial form. Or you can let the learner resume to the saved state to which they had reached in the layer.